Hello and welcome to the ninth part of the Facebook Messenger application in Android Studio. And in this tutorial, I will create this login page of the Messenger application. And uh, in the next videos, I will create the Firebase database for this application. So for now, I have added the login activity in the manifest file. So this is the login activity, and I have already added a theme for the theme style for this layout, and also the color code for this layout. And this is the activity in the manifest file. Mm, okay, this is the layout for the login activity. So let's start with the design. First of all, select a linear layout and add the property of this linear layout, the weight sum of 1, and inside this linear layout, divide the whole screen with the two divide the whole screen with the two layouts. For example, we have a first layout of the image view. So this is the relative layout, and inside this layout we have a background image. You can see I have added already in the assets folder, the driver folder. And I will provide a code for this messenger application in the GitHub. So for now, okay, add some more attributes like orientation of the linear layout, and you can see uh, this is the text view of the messenger. We can say messenger by code land. Okay, again, this is the root element of linear layout, and we have a background color white. And again we have a linear layout with the orientation of vertical, and we will add a property of layout weight. Okay, this is the layout weight property, and inside this linear layout, first create a linear layout for the email text box. Let's say, for example, we have a text view. Okay, add some padding. Okay, we have a text view, and the text of this text view is email. And okay, add some more properties of this text views, that is the size of the text. And okay, add some margin from the start. And again we have another relative layout inside this linear layout inside this linear layout. And in this linear layout, okay, now you can see I have already created this drivable file for the text view. Okay, so set the background to curve background. Okay, the first thing is to add the image view. Okay, we have image view, and set the icon of this image view to user name icon, and add some more attributes like margin top and margin bottom, and again margin from the start. Okay, the next thing we have we have edit text. So set the placeholder text to enter your name, enter your email, and set the gravity of the text to center vertical. Okay, also add the text size to 14 sp. And again we have a background for this text, edit text transparent, because we don't need any background for the text view, as we have already the curve background I have created in drawable file. Okay, so as per the design, let's add the view, the line break, which is a vertical line break after the image view and before the edit text. So add the attribute of the margin start, and also the margin from bottom and margin from top. Okay, so this is the uh, code for the added text of the user email, and now copy and paste it over here. Okay, so add the orientation of this relative linear layout, and add some more margin from the top. Okay, change this text with the password, and again change this icon with the password icon. Okay, replace this with the password, and again replace this with the txt password, and replace this with the action done. Okay, the next thing is to add a login button, which is again a linear layout, and inside this linear layout uh, we we have uh, we have text view, and again we have an image button. Okay, so this is the background design for the image view of the button. Okay, the first attribute. Okay, let's change this with the relative layout, and again we have a text view for the button as login, and we need to add some more properties to this text view to be visible, and also set the size of the text view to 14 sp, and also set the margin from the start and top bottom as well. Okay, now at the end of this layout we have an image button. Add the property of this image button, margin end, and again we have image for this image button, which I have already added in the tribal resource file. So this is the white background shape resource file in the tribal folder. Okay, so this is the image button of the login, and you can see the design. Okay, now okay, the last thing, we need to add a text view below this relative layout, which is the text view, and again set the alignment of this text view to center horizontal and add some more attributes, that is margin top and text size, also a text, and again the text color of this text view. Okay, now the user interface is ready, and this is the layout design for the login. Okay, now add the on click property to this button, and we have intent is equal to new intent. Give the context of this um, activity, and also we want to go to main activity, which is a messenger user interface. Start activity intent. Okay, now the code is ready, and let's run the application and see if it is working or not. uh, I I will start Firebase database for this application in the next videos. So for now we have design ready, and in the next series of tutorials I will code for the add some more functionalities like chat, one-to-one chat, group chat, with the help of Firebase database. And you can see the design of the Facebook Messenger, and that's it for this tutorial.